A new subsea connector is now available from PLIDCO.
We developed the Power Grip because it fills a need, it takes over where a weld ends and PLIDCO flanges leave off.
Introducing the PLIDCO Power Grip connector.
The Power Grip is a flanged mechanical connector that can be attached to any subsea pipeline repair application. The Power Grip utilizes a wedge-type locking system, making the connection to the pipe fully secure without the use of a weld. It is a fully mechanical fastener that requires no welding.
The new Power Grip is a versatile connector, ideal for a variety of subsea applications.
It can be used for putting spool pieces in a pipeline. It can also be used for putting in a tie-in connection to a pipeline. It could be used for inserting a valve.
The Power Grip is designed to be used when you're spooling out sections of pipeline on the seabed and when you're doing riser replacements. It can connect your replacement risers as well without any welding or anything like that. It's all mechanical and it'll take the very high pressures of, again, 2220 psi.
A lot of times if a company has to abandon a pipeline, it's code to flush that pipeline out clean and then cap it off at the end. A lot of that is done on smaller pipelines, flow lines, 2-inch, 4-inch, even 6-inch, to where they're currently using one of our products called the riser weld end, where I feel this would be a lot better tool to use in the field.
And the Power Grip features a redundant connecting system that allows you to verify the seal.
One of the key advantages to the Power Grip from PLIDCO is that we do have a second or a separate activation between the seal and the gripping mechanism to verify that you do have proper seal that's completely independent of the gripping system, so that it can be pressure tested before applying full pressure to the line.
Unlike other similar type connectors, the Power Grip is reusable.
To the best of my knowledge, this is the only connector that can be assembled and disassembled and reassembled again and again and again.
Maybe best of all is the fact that those who are installing this product will really appreciate it.
I think that the divers are going to find it to be a very friendly fitting because it's going to be very simple to put on. It's not very complex design. We've kept it simple. It's going to be much easier to install.
A safe, easy-to-install connector for spool repair, abandonments, reroutes, and other subsea applications. The PLIDCO Power Grip Connector.
Definitely the first thing I will be talking about is the fact that it can be reused.
So this is going to put us in a market that we have not been able to address properly.
It just works. It simply works.
The new PLIDCO Power Grip Connector. Trust the original. Trust PLIDCO.